Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Kumar from Arkan Friends channel. Actually, previously I did one video which is in Telugu. I thought the message should reach to all my friends, especially in my friends and other friends also. With regards to COVID, now I am a COVID patient. Now I should inform you, the people, about the situation of the second wave. Friends, during the first wave, I was general manager of Hyderabad 1, and during lockdown there was no work actually at zonal office. Then I used to go to the branches to caution my friends, colleagues, and I visited Union Bank and Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank, every branches, because there was no work and I wanted to educate the people also. During that time, actually, most of my friends, most of my colleagues, even family members, everybody about me, and they worried about me. They thought I will definitely catch COVID. Fortunately, I didn't get it. COVID could not touch me. Later, after retirement, I was not moving that much. Only one or two friends, and at home most of the time. But this time, I got COVID. Then I have analyzed why I could not get COVID during 2020. But in the second wave, I'm suffering now. Then I understood some things. Previously, I used to do some exercise. I used to play shuttle actually. At least I was walking for 15 minutes every day. Little bit exercise to the lungs. Lungs was doing. And I was taking excellent food and everything. And happy also. That is also important. Most important thing is we should be happy. Then, after retirement, last month actually, I thought of doing some fasting for 1 month due to some reasons. I was taking only fruits, 1 month, no food at all, no tiffin, no rice, no chapati. Then I actually, doing fasting is good, but at least evening I should have taken, but I didn't take evening also. At least I should have done exercise. Because I was fasting, I thought I should not do exercise. That is the costly mistake I did it. I didn't do exercise. Not even 10 minutes walk. No exercise, no lungs exercise. Then COVID attacked. I didn't recognize. As I was having some bronchitis, asthmatic problems. Generally, season change, I thought season change. Almost more than 1 week neglected. Then my wife also got it. And she has forced me to go for test. She also went and entire family went. Unfortunately, entire family. My 84 years mother, 94 years mother-in-law, my wife and myself, all senior citizens, we got COVID. 9th, I was not having some proper breathing. Oxygen levels, saturation levels were very low. Then I was admitted in the hospital. And my mother and mother-in-law also, because of their age, they are also admitted. 2 days almost. I was totally suffering. I could not able to speak with the people also. Then third day onwards, okay. Now, actually, I would like to tell all the people. Actually, I was also thinking, even if COVID comes, what's going to happen? My life is over. Everything is okay. We need not worry about my life. But later on, after coming to the hospital, I understood There will be so many things like this, no? These things, okay, only once it is okay. But after 3-4 days, again they will change it. Again, some leak, some blood clot, something will happen. And again they will put here and here. My mother and mother-in-law were changing around 5-6 times this one. Every day, morning, afternoon, evening, injections, taking blood every day. So what not? Almost your body will be testing this thing, instrument for the people like I don't know what not testing actually. They want to test us hourly basis, and that is the reason they will just go on inject us or take blood and all these things are happening. Then I thought, yes, I should tell my people, my friends, don't neglect it. Don't panic it. We should not panic also. That is most important. First important thing is we should not panic. We should not panic it because most of the snake bite deaths are happening only because of panic. No poison at all. Most of the snakes, they are not having poison. Don't panic. Okay, that is one thing. But at the same time, we should not neglect also. This I want to tell it. Till date I used to tell, don't panic. This time I am telling, don't neglect it. Okay, if you have to inhale, whether you have corona symptoms or not, please inhale. That is one of the first thing you should do it. That I was doing last year. This year I neglected it. And that some of the remedies, you know very well, that ginger and other things which we have used to take it, all things, you know, you take it every day, including garlic and other things. We can also call it the kashayam, I don't know in English what you call it is, that is also just like tea, you take it with the ginger and all these things. Then do exercise. Walking is more important. Or do exercise. Some sweat should happen. Lungs should expand. Even breathing exercise, yoga. Yoga is more than sufficient. This is most important. If it is active, lungs are active, I think your immunity will be more. It will not accept. Corona cannot touch your lungs. Once corona could touch your lungs, definitely you will suffer. That's what I have faced now. Please, first thing is continuously, till some days, if every day do it, till some days more times. Even if after, okay, everything is receded, then also do once or twice. Inhaling this is definitely good for you. Exercise, 15 minutes at least. 1 hour should do it, at least 15 minutes. These two basic things I neglected. Intentionally neglected, and corona affected me. That is the reason I am telling my dear friends, it is not as dangerous, and only one problem is there. Now, if it is affected more, some percentage will be there. If it is detected immediately, with medicine, very few medicines. Even medical staff fellow can give the medicines, corona medicines. Everywhere, everybody knows about medicines, or WhatsApp and all these things, or 3 or 4, 2-3 vitamins and 2-3. Some steroid, one steroid on antiviral thing. These are 4-5 medicines that we can take it within 1 week. You will be all right. If you neglect it, you have to rush to the hospital. Oxygen is required, and that is remedy. One medicine is there. I think this is the case. This is the case. I think no. This is remdesivir, something is there. Remdesivir, something. This medicine is not available. Beds are not available. Once your position is critical, it will be very help to you and your family members also. That's why don't neglect it. Immediately, if you have cough or fever or any just little bit of ill health, go for test and get it cured at the earliest. If it is not corona, is not there, okay, you will have negative. Only matter of 1,000 rupees. But don't neglect it. And continuously inhale. And exercise, lungs exercise is must. And I told you, inhalation is very, very important. That is also we are doing it previously. Please don't neglect it. Again, wear the mask. Mask is also very important. Of course, I am in the hospital, I am not wearing it. But if you are on the outside, please wear the mask and sanitize every time. These precautions you have to take it. Even if it comes, recognizing immediate is important. These things you follow, nothing is going to happen. But don't neglect, my dear friends. Neglecting, coming to hospital, suffering, lakhs of rupees you are spending, and mental headache, mental this thing, worriness, all these things are not necessary, unnecessary. This is all I have, it is only self-made. For me it is self-made, but don't do the such mistakes. I hope all my dear friends will not do such mistakes. Take care of yourself, take care of your family members. All the best, my dear friends. God bless you all. I will be coming back within 2 days from this hospital. All the best.